Hello kids, good morning. So we are going to learn more about the tenses. We have learned tenses, 12 tenses are there. We have learned. Hope you have go through the tense portion thoroughly. Now we are going to learn much more about each tenses. There are negative forms, interrogative forms, affirmatives and negative interrogative forms. What are affirmatives? Affirmatives are positive sentences, right? And here you are not going to the complete sentences, you are learning just the base, how to split a word, a base verb into its negative, its helping verb, splitting the base verb into helping verb and main verb. So now watch it. Let us listen. Okay, come on. Affirmatives, negatives, interrogatives and negative interrogatives. What is first? Affirmative. Affirmatives are the positive. We can say in other way it is positive. Understand? So you learn this. I write, she writes. Here what it is written? Yes form. Is it? Why it came yes form there? Because she is singular, right? I is plural, so that we wrote the plural form of the verb write. Here she is singular, so that we are writing writes. Understand? So I write, she writes. Both are positive. What is negative? How can you identify a negative thing, a negative sentence? You have to go through the sentence, you have to analyze the sentence and check whether there are no, not or never. These negative words are there. What are the negative words? No, not, never. And here it is clear that you have to add note, N-O-T, note you have to add with the auxiliary verb, and auxiliaries are 24. Understand? Auxiliaries are those verbs which we are using to help main verb. Understand? So each and every base verb is having auxiliaries hidden in that verb. And always remember, whenever a verb coming in the base form, V1 form, do is there. So remember always, whenever a base form, V1 form of a verb, there is do. What is there? Do is there. So you have to remember. So V1 plus do goes to the base verb. Okay? For example, you can write go. Whenever we are splitting go, we can write go plus do. Understand? And it is very easy that how does comes. Does is the S form. Yes form goes to, transforms to does. Does plus the base verb. And if here it is goes. Goes then does plus go. Does plus go or go plus does. Understand? So this is the splitting of base verbs. Understand? And if it is in past form means past tense, then it will come did. Understand? Now let us learn simple past first, and then we can go to simple present first, then we can go to simple past. So what is here? Simple present affirmative. So present tense affirmative. I write, she writes. Then simple present negative. Simple present negative, I do not write. Here we have added do not. Now you know from where we got the do. We got the do from the base verb write. Understand? We got do from the base verb write. So that we can write, then we can make the negative I do not write. Is it clear? Then here it is does, because the subject is singular, she. So whenever we are splitting writes then it will come to does plus not. We are making negative, so that we have to add not. So it is she does not write. Is that clear? And now interrogative. We have already written the negative form and we got the auxiliary from the base verb. And here it is very easy to make interrogative. Take the auxiliary from the main verb. What is the auxiliary here? Do. So do plus subject plus verb. So auxiliary plus, how can we make interrogative? There is a pattern to make interrogative. Listen, what is the pattern? Auxiliary plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Understand? So what is the pattern to make interrogative? Auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. And here it is does she write. Why it came does? Because here it is writes. Understand? Here it is writes. So that does she write. Is it clear? Now negative interrogative. We have already written negative here. Just rearrange the sentence. Take the auxiliary first and then you can make the sentence into negative interrogative. Do I not write? Here it is positive interrogative, affirmative interrogative. Here it is negative interrogative. For affirmative there will not be any no, not, and here for negative interrogative you have to add not. Is it clear? Do I not write? And here it is does she not write. Is that clear? Now what is simple past? Simple past, you know what is the format of a past tense? Simple past tense, subject plus V2. Is it? So here subject plus V2. And here you have to remember from V2 we can take did. What we can take as auxiliary? We can take did as auxiliary. So I wrote. Split the verb wrote. How can we write split the verb? When we are splitting wrote, we will get did plus write. What will we get? Did plus write is wrote. Understand? And she did not write. I told you the most easiest tense is past tense and it is simple past. There is no other confusions in making past verbs and there is no change here. Here also did and the next also did. There is no singular plural concepts. Every verb is going with the same V2 form. Understand? So even the subject is singular or plural, I or she or we or whatever it is, it comes did or the V2 form wrote. Understand? Then interrogative. Here we got did, right? Take did plus subject plus verb. So did I write? That is the positive interrogative, affirmative interrogative. Did I write? What is the next? Did she write? How can we change the same into negative interrogative? Just add not, is it? It is already written there. Did I not write? What is the structure? What is the pattern? Did I not write? And then did she not wrote? Is it clear? And the last one, but not the least, what is the last one? Simple future. What is simple future? Will or shall is the verbs assisting future tense, right? And here shall always comes with I, right? And here we have written I shall write and she will write. I shall not write. What is the negative? I shall not write. And what is the positive? She will not write. What is the positive? Sorry, negative. She will not write. Here I shall write. Change the same into negative. I shall not write. and here she will write, then she will not write. What is interrogative? Shall I write? That is positive, right? Here, will she write? How can we change the same into negative? Negative interrogative. Shall I not write? Then, will she not write? Here you have to remember the one thing very clearly, very keenly. What it is? You have to split the verbs. Understand? Whenever you are making negatives or interrogatives, you have to take the auxiliaries from the base verb. So how we are taking the base verbs auxiliaries? Remember always base verb, present tense, base verbs S form contains does and base verb plural contains do. Understand? For example, dance. Dance, whenever we are splitting dance, we can write do plus dance. Dance split the dance. How can we get do plus dance? And if it comes S form, then dances, is it? Dances, how can we split? Does plus dance. Is that clear? And if it comes past tense, then did plus the base verb. Understand? Danced. Did plus dance is danced. Went. Did plus go is went. Said. Watched. Did plus watch is watched. So you have to split. Learn to split the verbs. Do one thing. Take a lot of verbs. You list some verbs in present tense, past tense, both in singular, plural forms, and then split those verbs. You will learn very easily. Understand? Okay, so listen to the class again if you don't understand. Okay, be free to ask questions. Okay, let me know your doubts so that I can clear it. Okay, thank you.